Totomi nile longni adim 109 Harogat LAC Lapen 110 110 Depot Assembly Legislative Assembly long tumi nomination jog lo Lapen PD bangke 11 orpen dagese scrutiny padolo penadak scrutiny penitum kadoe pandame adake inuta la dak fail nili sidame adak pini pen mangke formally the candidate lo long ni adi mapan pen nili aso election long nili kemang sondo nili specific agenda do aso agenda alam thi pensi nili aso election long nili Chepate dun la bangke dak non jasemer bangke itum longri lopat karbeng long ini si Pherangke Amei sedu ini kisuk teknik sedu la bangke jasemet ke itum longle fela number 1 bangke border sidame anta kene state boundary pen chenglo district boundary pen chenglo la itum safe kali batai meghalaya pen sidame tu migration do la tum pakke pasik sak do apen adak tension do suluk sodak muluk sidame thi bang do ba bani ma to ba bulit ka prandam nang lo se lai ka do do lai si boundary issue muga son me boundary ta che protect nei ma pen chenglo la penon big corporate tum kete dung itu corporate tum kar beng long le mane हजार biga mane near about lakh la sona sa hectare can ji fana tum already preliminary sona mu ka do che to ka la ke isikar beng lo man me te dak itumara tum da long le felang awe ko son la big corporate pan long le pen la la men chenglo pen da tum ke mineral ke item resource pick pen lai tame pini auction ki piya fa dagriar pen chenglok ason minerals lai ka do gamita ini pare corporate nang ni par changlen te piklo je kar benglong ke pini isi Pherangke isang te to future bangge ko puna to na pone la sondo ase lai ka do isu do autonomous state issue do ini autonomous state issue ta genuine la pen mane seriously madukta ke or bang ke claim ma we sita Allah bangge itu kar benglong kari epot ini is a serious movement la pen genuine is a movement bangke ke pang tangje kenanji kenang so la sini le bangke nili objective mata la to strengthen the autonomous state movement uganili ta ke agenda long ta nili focus pon lo nili paklang pon lo asong dak si ini tum dak kar benglong lo tum political authority political la so decision ki pun ji kar benglong bat kubisi claim nahi ma dam nahi ma ke ini kar bitum decision che nong le pini ang tan nung sik pini ken pini jase met pangke pini himonto biswa sharma tumason pini mudi tumson se karbi anglong ko son si karbi anglong pan mane ko son se claim nahi bangke la tung se political decision ari deng do ko ituma menadi mlo ke political decision enu del ituma ri deng la so bang wedel pini bodole na tu men cheklo pini khasi garu atum la pen naga tumiji tumke la so political authority alang tumari deng do sapini itu political authority tumke tumari deng bet ka joilo asila an pini karbi kaya tuma mana peng pini avelo political tuma right away blonde to mana peng avelo ta moni tum la so bangke pini mata kran ba chini ne ate to mone de lugo sitani itum conscious tum chini asile se denjalo se putot itu mena char jaksi reassertion of carbon nationality putot efaran itum char jak to si la soja koma itum bang no bait bit hiok na until unless national party pen karbi anglong da karbi anglong ara pen tu chepa jok je tik bolonte itum so political right ke tu angwelo how to say as this mena political ja kong karbi anglong ara da atum si dak masi cm nahi masi MLA nahi dak se itum kawai pini MLA koma manji manang neta pini la bangke himonto tu ba ada modi tu pini kawai na se pini da tum te damlo pini candidate muka candidate they are not efficient la tum na son amena ke take kere la so efficiency pene kawai kan ane la tum long yes sir ke ko don si pini ten lai last time itu la so ne te damlo la se pini ane restoration of body right but the authority is the important lapan defend our territory lapan men kekatan lapan isi bangke la to protect and indigenous people's rights. Ini that every material was all the cat and making that are the protected. Lion on the protest is a point back. Latin Nitomata about nearly that the good or that nearly to say the candidate. Upon mountain chili, in the ground, in the protection of the back. Lapan, in the thing that is on the rock, the cover any problem. And I know we don't power. Through that study, we have to keep a lot. University, you can see one. Me, all the government will the government of Palestine, postgraduate, MLA class, will be there, sign up and it's 3 one. So, that's it. Any MOU that is limited to the public more power one JP power is to one constitution and first time big money amendment policy, second amendment policy. Lie on one appointment. Nothing like anything which is on Apollo. With I am part of that movement. Up and I to the KSA University PG Life. One. Any that upon HD department for the power. So now Minister out within Jadan to the Jaini. Happy. So one under so while see and touch the Guru. Also, that's it. La penalty down, la border is Sudan and Tabia. Medalava give and take to Bolo. Itum Polo, Indus Azura committee. Imontoban Polo, Itum Pula, and Arab 70 years, like a already Musoba, like a dispute away, like a constitutional boundary, like Silla so to talk about the top, taking by you, like a daughter. Now, this one, unity one and two like a top. So alang bujilo, alang lisitame, lam chap na tilo, no ni ke border. So alam ke latin, paprang na budan. Kali na gala, ini border isita, lapi tension di bawang sita. Asam government chinti na ang kala surface ya, abidan. Apa na ba kontrol samas dami na ke, kasi gina ba mo ito, chef din. Lata na ito, simonto ba jadan di ba. This is also one of all achievements. On PGRBR Katasong Manabe, we can do this sunset 2024, 2025. No. When I am the court pendalitum, you see, a that's all along. Court pendal, so you see, on the forward to open for eviction. Pave the way for eviction. That the council of the authority, like a council of sorting, when a chase at the people. Council in chase at the care journey, India, it will be sent to the council. What up to the without immediately to as a council to charge that day. Council in the council like a council to be share. A sort of to charge that council will be sit and the problem. With a party to justice Joint Coordination Committee for Protection of Autonomy. Lapan is a permanent demand committee as socialist. John candidate, Nicola Soto Machada, Milijan Machada, the Jarjak, and Pregnant, Cardiamon, Albany, Sudo, Milicara, by loud voice, Mayor, Velante, Asetatam, and Madame Sandila Market, the Chadanti are ready there, anytime ready, apparently capable to raise my voice in the Assam Assembly on the issue of all these prevailing issues. This is burning issues. La Banke, raise them for Rabba, replace them for, and maintain in the Venjito. La Pen, the too long, not that intellectual body, educated tumbapic, politically conscious unitopic, trade, traders do, businessmen do, the intellectual do, all pen educated people do, like kado gawe ke diplomacy do and kete kere kado eta well conscious people. Latung badak diplomacy concentrated. Lasi, mana sampai conscience about, mana debate ani lalu aku lalu kamata kamata besi mesana kanide efisien kanide kadang tinu dak di forma sinanta ini ni kasi na support gani de mata ase itu ama make si mesana position Allah sudah betul betul